Hello students, welcome to the class of Environmental Science. Today we will discuss about the topic ecotourism. Ecotourism. It is a form of tourism in which local people are encouraged to visit remote wilderness or rural environment. The International Ecotourism Society TIES in 1990 defines ecotourism as responsible travel to natural areas that conserve environment and improve well-being of local people. There are various characteristics of ecotourism. It involves travel to natural destinations, minimizes impact of human interference, builds environmental awareness. It provides direct financial benefits for conservation as well as empowerment for local people. It supports human rights like conservation of biological and cultural diversity by protecting ecosystem, providing jobs to local population and sustainable use of biodiversity. Ecotourism is often misinterpreted as making hotels in a splendid landscape to the detriment of ecosystem. But ecotourism is visit to areas of ecological interest to support conservation efforts and observe wildlife in specially endangered environment. There are various ways by which ecotourism helps in conserving environment, such as by improving sustainability. A national or international regulatory board may be set up, including facilities by government, hotels, tour operators, travel agents, guides, airlines, local authorities, conservation organizations, and NGOs. Ecotourism also helps in creating awareness regarding conservation of forest with the help of tour guides. An environmental protection strategy must address issues of ecotourism with initiatives like improving awareness, sensitizing them to environmental issues, and care about the places they visit. Ecotourism helps in providing direct financial benefits for conservation as well as empowerment for local people. It involves multinational companies to control ecotourism resources. These corporations finance and profit from development of large-scale ecotourism, increased contributions of communities. These corporations finance and profit from development of large-scale ecotourism, increased contributions of communities to locally managed ecotourism improves economic status of local people, like providing high-level management positions and reducing environmental issues. Ecotourism also efforts to preserve ecosystems which are at high risks, such as Galapagos Islands, which were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979. With its various merits, ecotourism has its own demerits also. Ecotourism activities disturb flora and fauna. Ecotourists believe that they are only taking pictures and leaving footprints, but they have led to soil compaction, erosion, and plant damage. Ecotourism activities also include wildlife viewing. It can scare away animals, disrupt their feeding and nesting sites. Ecotourism leads to deforestation, disruption of ecological life system, various forms of pollution due to moving vehicles. Since most forms of ecotourism are owned by foreign investors and corporations that provide little benefits to local communities, majority of profits are taken by investors instead of reinvestment into local economy or environmental protection. Thus, the lack of economic opportunities for local people, it constrains them to degrade the environment as a means of sustenance. Due to ecotourism, local people have illegally lost their homes without any compensation due to establishment of protected areas. Too many lodges have been built, too many firewood is being used, and there are no limits on tourism vehicles. The purpose of ecotourism is to engage tourists in low-impact, non-consecutive and locally oriented environment in order to maintain species and habitats, especially in underdeveloped regions. Many ecotourism projects have failed to address some of fundamental issues that nations face in the first place. Thus, ecotourism may not generate benefits it is intended to provide to these regions and their people, and in some cases, leaving economies in a state worse than before. Thank you.